Hello guys, hello everything. So I'll let you share with my quick video. Very quick video. It's a very quick video naman. So medyo quick na lang, madaling. So I will share with you about my football bags and my football equipment galing sa football training pagbabuhay ng varsity football. So I'll let you share with you guys. First thing, you know what is it? Yung paborito ng soccer cleats like Neymar, Messi, 'di ba? The magic and the best feint in all buong mundo sa football. Sa unang sorpresa naman, mga Brad Triet. Ding ding! Puma Future. I see that Puma has a very good shoe. Diba? I did not clean kasi guys, oh. Marami mga dumi-dumi. It look like Michael Lim's headphone. Diba? Mukhang Michael Lim yung headphone guys. I promise, 100%. It look like Michael Lim's headphone is very dirty. Madumi yan. Mukhang like, yeah, 100% yan guys. And the studs, yung spikes naman, very dirty naman. It's look like Michael Lim's headphones. Maraming dumi yan. Maraming dumi. Katulad ko ng headphones ni Mika guys. 100% guys, legit. And this is my shoe. I use for goalkeeping. And this is for goalkeeping for training naman, no? Work! Next, shin pads. Or shin guards yung tinatawag yan. So, ang shin guards, pwede gamitin for goalkeeping training, for protection your foot, iwasan yung injuries. So, this I use it for shin pads for any reasons. So, you can see the upper on this side, guys. Ang dumi-dumi. Very dirty, you can see. Ang dumi-dumi, guys. It look like Michael Lim's headphone ng madumi. Yeah, pareho yan. Pareho yung headphones ni Mika, guys. Madumi yan, madumi. Also thing is the Adidas Predator thing. It's a very cheap one. So it's called like amateur thing. It's amateur gloves. I use for amateur gloves for training. Kasi yung ginamit ko amateur for playing for the matches or mga laro na against with alumni in MPEC. I use this Adidas Predator goalkeeper gloves, amateur. So I can buy a professional goalkeeper gloves someday. Puhon yan, puhon. I can buy a better gloves for gripping and protection like my hands for avoid injuries. So kailangan yung gloves niyan, goalkeeper guys. Me, I'm a keeper. I have to more responsibility using these gloves and avoid yung mga injuries in yung mga off gloves. That's a very thing common. Next, my sleeve socks. I cut these the long socks. I just avoid yung injuries, di ba? Injuries sa football. So I cut the long socks. Then I make him a sleeve for my stretchable for my avoid cramps, muscle cramps. I avoid muscle cramps anything for no reason. Next, it's my common enemy. You know what I'm saying that too. Ang bida-bida, di ba? This one, what? It's my grip socks. Nike grip socks. So, it's very comfortable sa grip socks kasi guys, you know what? It's more lot of fractions, anti-slip. Hindi ka yung muscle cramps, blisters, yung paa mo masunog. And you imagine that there's like bubbling bodies up in your foot. I know that I use grip socks for no reason. Grabe. A lot of football equipment. And lastly, football uniform. So I wear this one, guys. So I wear for training. So this is for field play. So yung makaiba guys, kung goalkeeper guys, you have to different uniform. This thing and other colors. So I use wearing this for field play. So alam mo yun, you know what that thing, you know the drill is. I've been curious about Michael Lim, yung member sa Bini guys. My admired crush na from Bini. She's from Quezon City or she's from Manila. My favorite crush sa Bini. Michael Lim is my number one. She's flexing this modest thing. What? Modest? Seryoso ka, Mika? Modest yung i-flex mo. Oh, I'll let you flex on my modest. You want the modest thing? Oh, I flex Puma. Puma is the best. Oh. So, Puma is the best, Mika. Oh, tingnan mo, Puma is the best, Mika. Akala mo, ha? Akala mo, modest yan, no? Puma is the best. So, see you later, guys. So, peace out.